welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today we're outside with it. I'm going to show you guys how to make this super delicious, super moist ham, holiday ham, Thanksgiving ham, however you want to call it. And yes, let's get into this recipe. I missed yesterday. You already know I'm prego, so some days is good, some days is bad, and you already know. So this is my ham. It's a 9-pound ham. I got it from the grocery store, Food Town, and it was around $14. In the back, I have the cherries, the pineapple juice, chicken broth, black pepper, and that's a bacon pepper jam in the back. Now I'm using a box cutter to slice up my ham, like make little squares, because the knife just wouldn't give me the same effect that I want. You know, well, the knives in my house anyway, they're not like put you in the grave sharp. So the box cutter was just so easy, so simple. And I'm just scoring the ham because I want it to be cute. You know, I want it to be cute once it's cooked. And yeah, so that's pretty much, look at babe. He had to help me because my plate was moving. He was so scared too because, you know, like I said, I'm pregnant and, you know, messing with the box knife, yada, yada, yada. So, and I scored it really, really well. And yep. So most of you guys already know that ham is super salty. It's super seasoned already. So you don't need much. All I'm putting on here is black pepper. And that's it. So now I'm using some applewood coals. And I'm just putting it in my grill. Y'all ignore my grill. It's old. I haven't used it in a long time. There it is. I don't have an excuse for it. It's tore up. You know, it's been outside throughout the hurricanes and all of that. So, hey, you know. So, I lit the grill up like I did here. I did also have some applewood chips. And there they are going in. And I let the smoke, once the smoke got nice and calm, and the grill got to about 350, then I put the chicken stock. This is the homemade chicken stock, by the way. This is episode 3. So, you can check that spicy chicken stock recipe out. And then I put the ham right down in there. Like I said, any salt-free seasoning is cool, but it doesn't really need it. So I just use black pepper. That's it. Then I closed it up. 90 minutes later, this is how it looks. I wanted it to get crisp and get the color on it and everything before I covered it. Now, y'all, it was a windy day. I was going through it trying to cover this ham, but I was able to get it covered. And listen, it was a chore. Look at me. Look, y'all. Look, child. The wind was crazy. So I covered it and I left it alone for another hour and 15 minutes or so. This was a big ham, so I cooked it for about 3 hours and 10 minutes. So you know, it's about 20 minutes per pound. So here we go with the bacon peppercorn jam. This is so good. Oh my goodness. If you have a Kroger, run, don't walk. That jam is so good. So then I added the fresh pineapple juice and mixed it up. And that's the sauce. Period. That's the sauce. If you want it way sweeter, then go ahead and add some brown sugar. But I'm not doing that. You know, it's good to go. But this was sweet enough for me. But add some honey, brown sugar, whatever you prefer. It's not going to mess it up. I just didn't want a super sweet ham. So right here is just me prepping to get ready to go back outside to glaze the ham and dress it up. I have the pineapple rings and the cherry tomatoes. So this is what the ham looks like after another hour and 15 minutes covered. It was so tender. It smelled amazing. I checked with my thermometer to make sure I was good. And I was more than good. And after I did that, I started putting my sauce. Y'all, when the sauce hit the ham, child, I'm going to just wait for y'all to make it. I'm going to wait till one of y'all make it and then come in the comments and let everyone know how amazing it was. I cannot with this sauce. And I'm going to get another one. I'm going back to get another one to make another recipe. But look at this sauce all over this ham. It just smells so good. And honestly, you don't even have to use the sauce that I had. You could use your favorite sauce, but this is what I'm recommending because I wanted it to be a little different, you know. Now here I was like, you know what? My ham is super beautiful. I'm not even going to cover this entire thing in pineapple. I'm going to put the cherries because the cherries match with the sauce. The sauce has those pepper pieces. And then I'm just going to put a couple pineapple. Just, it's there, but it's not like covering everything because I'm like, man, this ham just looks crazy. I cannot cover this thing in pineapple, even though I would love to. I love me some pineapple, chat. Um, so now it's going to remain uncovered, and then I'm going to let it go for another 10 minutes, and then I'm going to pull it inside. And this is how it looks. This is, babe, bringing it inside for me because, child, I can't lift it up. And he brought it inside. Look at this ham. Y'all, look at this ham. Like, I cannot. Look at this ham. So now we're just going to pour the sauce. Now, this sauce is the ham juices along with the sauce that I did pour over the pan that was in the pan. And I reduced it on the stove. So I put it on the stove, reduced it by half, and then poured it all over the ham. Y'all, look at this. Look. Y'all, I don't even eat pork. But I promised you I ate a piece of this the other day. I definitely ate a tiny piece of this ham the other day because I just could not. Look how juicy and moist and flavorful and crusty this ham looks. And the turkey recipe is coming up once they put the turkey in the stores. That's the only reason why that recipe is not out yet. I don't see them anywhere, but we're definitely going back outside to make this turkey this year. I won't be making the turkey in the house. I'm making it outside, so be prepared for that. But look how juicy that turkey is. I served it up with the jalapeno popper potato salad that we made in episode number 5, I believe. Make sure you guys check that recipe out. It's down below. And yeah, not me sound like a valley girl. But yes, this is how it looks. And it was so good. And I really, really hope at least 2 people give it a try. Okay. This ham is great with rice, mac and cheese, grilled vegetables, and sandwiches, which I have a sandwich recipe coming up soon. And this babe holding his plate. He couldn't wait to eat. He fasted the whole day just so he could eat the ham. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.